You still can come out of prison alive. You need to make changes in your life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. All right. Thank you, counsel. 03, State of Texas versus Terrence Reed. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Robert Porter for Mr. Reed.
And are you Mr. Reed?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, yeah.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Reed, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we're proceeding on count 1 and waiving count 2.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, Mr. Reed, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you understand you're charged with the offense of murder? That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as the factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes,
Mr. Reed, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, the state is proceeding on count 1. Punishment is to be assessed at 30 years in the prison. They're taking in consideration 2022 CR 7439. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have been motions for the corporate and that.
All right. Then to the offense as charged in count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
State offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
All right, you may be excused to continue to confer. Mr. Reed, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Your Honor. If I may approve.
No,
All right. So supplemental is admitted without objection.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, this is it's been a long case, Your Honor. Mr. Reed has been extremely helpful with me. It's been part of his trial, but at the end of the day, he decided to take responsibility and we request the court to follow the agreement.
Anything you wish to say, Mr. Reed?
Oh, ma'am.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, find you guilty, sentence you to 30 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration 2022 CR 7439. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
And this is the moment where reality truly hits. The deal is done, the plea is accepted, and the sentence is locked in. 30 years isn't just a number. It's decades of life decided in minutes. The judge's words are calm, almost hopeful, but the weight is heavy. One choice, one agreement, and everything changes forever.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Reed, I realize that 30 years is a long time, but you still can come out of prison alive. You need to make changes in your life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. All right, thank you, counsel. Guys, I don't have this 527 State of Texas versus Esmeralda Valdez. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Cornelius Scott for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Valdez?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Esmeralda Ann Valdez who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 8727 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on July 26, 2023?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Judge, I just want to address it because I do have two. I don't know, count two.
There is count 1 and count 2. She pled guilty to count 1. I'm sorry, she pled no contest to count 1 and no contest to count 2 on July 26, 2023. The court found there was sufficient evidence to find her guilty. The court found her guilty of count 1 and count 2, and count 1 and count 2 were to run concurrently.
Judge, I just want to make sure.
Yes.
And can I just read one violated condition for each of them?
Yes.
Violated condition on or about the day of November 2000. And the then and there failed to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Treatment Facility, and that the defendant was unsuccessfully discharged from the program in violation condition number 38.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violations of, and I'm sorry, you're pleading true to violation of condition 38 in count 1 and in count 2. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of 38 in count 1 and count 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of conditions 38 in count 1 and count 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of 38 true in count 1 and count 2. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. And that agreement is to revoke the individual off for community supervision and to sentence her to 2 years TBC for count 1 and count 2 to run concurrent.
That's correct.
All right, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 2 years in count one and in count two. Count one and count two will run concurrently. And just so the record is clear, court is granting the motion for revocation. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to the attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Valdez, if you would like, I can have you referred to the therapeutic community. It does not increase the time that you're in custody. So for example, you've been sentenced to 2 years. If you're in the therapeutic community and let's say you're not finished with the program, they're not going to say, oh, she will spend time, but we're going to keep her. That's not the way it works. The therapeutic community is something that will help you on track or keep you on track. So if you would like that, I can order it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to order it now. I do not have jurisdiction to force them to do that. So once you get back to the jail, you'll have to request it as well. If you don't request it, they will not consider it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.